In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Exitlag app on Android. If you're looking to reduce lag and stabilize your connection in mobile games, Exitlag is designed exactly for that. It's a gaming network optimizer that routes your game traffic through optimized paths to help lower ping and packet loss. It isn't a traditional VPN for everyday browsing or streaming, so keep that in mind as you follow along. Let's get this installed the recommended way using the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Start by opening the Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the very top. Type Exitlag, just like it's spelled, and wait a moment for the results to appear. You're looking for the official listing named Exitlag Lower Your Ping by Exitlag, LLC. Checking the developer name is important because it helps you avoid lookalike apps. If you want extra confidence, you can glance at the app's description and user reviews to make sure it matches what you expect from a gaming network optimizer. When you're on the correct page, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar, and the time it takes will depend on your connection speed. If you're on mobile data and want to save bandwidth, consider being on Wi-Fi before you start the download. Once installation is complete, the button will change and you can tap open to launch Exitlag right away. When the app opens for the first time, you'll land on its welcome or home screen where you can explore available game optimizations. Some features may be locked behind a subscription after a free trial period. It's a good idea to review the trial details and any pricing inside the app so you understand what's included and what's premium before you commit. A few quick notes to set expectations. Exitlag focuses specifically on improving gaming routes. It isn't meant to act like a standard VPN for general internet use. Results can vary depending on your location, your network, and the game servers you connect to. If you also play on other platforms, Exitlag is available on Android, iOS, and PC, so you can keep your experience consistent across devices by installing the respective versions from their official stores. That's all you need to download Exitlag on Android using the Google Play Store. Open the app, take a look around, and you'll be ready to try it with your favorite games. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.